Hello guys, what's up? Like I promised, today we're gonna show you how to use Clipchamp. Let's get started and show you how. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. Now we're on Clipchamp, so you're gonna get a new account if you don't have an account, or you're just gonna hit login. Now you're gonna go hit create a video. Okay, here's where I'm gonna teach you how to do some stuff with Clipchamp. So you can upload with this plus button right here. You can upload any of your files you've downloaded. So let's say I'll put this in it. It's preparing it. Alright, once it gets to 100%, we'll go to that. And then here, record and create, you can do, I've never actually tried this, create text to speech, but I do screen recording, or you can just record yourself right here. So you can do either one of those. Let's check. So it's still preparing it. Now you're going to go to music and SFX, and you can get music here and put music into your video. So watch, my media, it's loaded. Add the timeline. Now where's this add audio? You can add some audio to it. So let's say I'm going to go, let's say I want to add an audio. Okay, no, I'll go to music and SFX. Oops. Okay, and we added that in now. So it'll play the music. Now I'm not going to play the music because I don't really want it. But that's how you get the music. Stock video. I'm not sure what stock video is actually. Oh, this is where you can get videos, I guess. Yeah, you can get videos. Let's see if, I wonder if they have this. Oops, I wonder if they have a subscribe button. I mean, I already created a subscribe button, so I don't really need it. But I was just wondering if they have it. Yes, they do have one actually. Did not know that. That's good to know. Okay, so we know that now. So now you can do text and add text into your thing. Add text right here. Typewriter, say add this, typewriter. Okay, then the text will be here, and I can add text. So I'll put boom, say, I don't know, I just put boom. Okay, now it's boom. Now I play it. Boom. Boom's there. I'm also gonna remove that now though. Okay, graphics. Now I haven't used any of these except for the record and create my media, but you can do all of these stuff. GIFs, you can do GIFs, stickers, overlays, that's pretty cool. Okay, but you can do all that stuff. There's backgrounds, filters, and transitions. So this is where you can put filters into your video. That's pretty cool. And brand. Oh, that's just if you upload a logo, but you have to be it has to be premium and you have to pay. So basically that's it. That's basically what I'm gonna show you. I can show you more in a more advanced video, but this is just Clipchamp right now. You can do whatever you want. There's split, delete, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, but once you're done, here's the part. So you can change this also. You also hit export. I'm not going to do it right now. It will take a little bit longer than Capwing, I feel like, but it's a really good site. So I'll do a more advanced video about Clipchamp, but those are just the basic things you can add into your videos. So I'll do one about Capwing too, but please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Let's get those likes up. Also, do make sure to subscribe and ring the bell.